Hey, Babalawo International, Yami, my good people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Gbogbo yẹn mo yàmi tí ẹ wù mí nílé lóko, mo kí gbogbo yín, mo kí gbogbo yẹn káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán, ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ tí ń wù mí, mo kí gbogbo yín. I'm going to teach you, I taught you this thing about last year concerning to neutralize hitting in the dream. If you want to, if you are hitting in the dream, you can use this thing to neutralize it. If I hitting in the midnight, maybe afternoon, or those things, you can use this stuff to neutralize the stuff. So, and even the stuff work for bad arrows, from bad enemies. So, if you want to do it, I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it. The name of this leaf, you are going to see it. Look at it. Look at it. I don't want to teach only Yoruba people alone. I'm teaching all my fans, because it's not only Yoruba that's following me. Even white people is following me. They're talking to me. So even people calling me from Kenya, people calling me from South Africa, people, and they are not from in Nigeria, and they are calling me for help. They are seeking for help. A lot of people now, I'm still going to, I know some people called me, messaged me yesterday, and they are not from Nigeria, and they are messaging me. People from East, they are messaging me. So people, so I'm outside people messaging me. So why can't help them with all these things? So let me quickly teach you how you are going to do it. Look at it. I'm going to paste the name of this thing, the scientific name of this thing, on the top of the this video. You are going to see it. So the scientific and the Yoruba name. They call this leaf Omoningelegele. But before you do it, before you listen to this thing, make sure you share it. Make sure you share this thing. Share it. It's very useful. This work is very useful. You can put it at home. If you see any arrow, or if you match your leg on something, if you drink concerning the some people bad enemy. We have bad enemy everywhere. So understand what you need to do. If you see anything strange, something, maybe they put something in your shoe. What you need to do, if you mash it, what you need to do, go and take this thing, drink small out of it, put small, use small to rub your leg. That's what you're going to do. How you are going to do it? Look at it. This is one bunch of alligator pepper. One bunch of alligator pepper. Sorry. So what you need to do, just open it. Open the alligator pepper inside one inside the clean stuff. You see it. I'm going to put it there. So look at it. But if you want to do it, if you want everything to be clean, you have to pick all the dirty out of it. So it's going to remain the seed, only seed. It's going to remain only seed. Look at it, the seed, only the seed. So what you need to do, what you are going to do is you are going to pick all the alligator pepper. You are going to put them inside. You are going to put them inside. Put everything inside small container. Gbogbo èèyàn mo yá mi mo ti kọ́ yín ní àwọn iṣẹ́ ìrí o. So ẹ má tó ẹlòmíì má tó ranjú pé àwọn kan kẹ́nẹ̀ kan kọ́ ṣe kìtọ̀ wọ́n ṣe ti bí òde tọ̀ wọ́n eléyìí oṣù gbọ̀ngàn oṣù gbàdá. So kọ́ ẹlòmíì kò mọ̀ ọ̀jọ́ sọ kò mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ sọ á sọ̀rọ̀ bí bó ṣe wù. Ó wà ọfà ogun ọfà ó jẹ lójú àlá ó tẹ̀ kán mọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo kìíní yìí á neutralize. Bad arrow, is going to neutralize any bad arrow. Don't allow them to destroy your life. If you are hitting this dream, it's going to make it's going to make you that thing is a step back, a called step back for someone. So hitting in the dream is not good. Some people, you are happy. You are hitting in the dream and you are happy. Very happy. Everything inside is inside. Look at everything there. So what you need to do, you see, so you are going to put everything inside again. You are going to put everything inside. The second one. You see? So I'm putting them inside. I'm putting them inside. I'm putting them inside. Putting them inside. Use your, don't ask me question. If anytime you are seeing my video, always hear it, because all those things is going to help you. But some people, I don't know how you always love to disturb someone. You don't want to, if you know you don't want to share it, why are you disturbing me? Don't disturb me at all. Don't disturb me at all. We are running for your pastor. A lot of pastors called me, so don't talk too much. Pastor mi a rí pastor tó share, mo rí pastor kan tó share kíní, ó share a lot of my videos sórí kíní ẹ̀, mo ní good. Ilé ti já, ó já kò rán. So everything is inside. What you need to do, you can use, I'm going to use ogogoro. This is a natural one, natural ogogoro, not Pepsi. This one is a natural ogogoro. Look at it. The natural ogogoro, very confirmed ogogoro from all the way from Ondo State. All the way from, I'm not in Ondo, I'm in Lagos. So look at it. Do it. Very natural. So what you need to do, pour everything inside. You pour it inside. You can use, if you don't see ogogoro, you can use a Lord or Seaman or Eagle. What is it? So all you need to do, just cover it up. Cover it. Allow the stuff. Go and put it aside. So anytime you see, you can be drinking it the second day. So anytime you see something like that, you can always keep all these things at home, because of your children, because of you yourself, because of you and because of yourself. All you need to do it and keep it inside. Nobody knows tomorrow. Anything can happen. So I'm begging you, what you need to do, go and join Babalawo International TV. My good people, always go and join Babalawo International TV. Go and join it. This is my new Facebook account. It is my new Facebook account. Go and join it. Because this one, I'm going to put this thing on it. It has issues. So that's the reason why I went to they reopen another Facebook account. So go and follow it. Go and follow it, Babalawo International TV. God will continue to bless you and be with you. My name is remain the same, Babalawo International. My good people, always share my post. Share it. It's going to work for you. Share it is very, very important for you and for me also. So thank you very much. God bless you. My number still remain the same. I have only one. I don't have another number again. 081 222 14891 080 222 081 222 14891. God bless you. Have a lovely weekend. God bless you. Bye.